Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. It's Wednesday morning, bright and early. If you guys could please like this video right away, leave a comment. I don't care what you leave, it helps. Subscribe if you haven't. And please let me know in the comments, guys, if you have been watching the channel. Do you prefer short vlogs or do you prefer longer, more in-depth, thorough vlogs? Now, I just released a video last night of a BMW M3 repair. Now, I did several short videos kind of mashed together to create one longer video. It was about 20 minutes long. What was cool about that is you got to see the repair from start to finish. You know, not only did the vehicle come in, but you got to see it come in, get repaired, finished, and then delivered. So please let me know in the comments if you guys would rather watch longer videos or do you just want some quick videos. So today is just going to be a quick video, and sometimes I feel like, is that too quick? I don't want to frequently upload too much. We almost had 100 subscribers. I appreciate that. Thank you guys. It's not very much, but 100 turns into 1,000, 1,000 turns into 10,000, 10,000 turns into 100,000. So appreciate the subscriptions, and well, we are going to keep doing the vlogs kind of like we are. We just got the spray booth finished, so we'll be able to do some more DIYs and how-tos, and you guys will be able to see a lot cooler stuff than before. So really excited about that. For now, we're just gonna keep doing them kind of in the morning a little bit, and as time goes on, as I get better with filming, speaking, and editing, I'll do more vlogs during the day when business is actually being conducted. So I got something to show you guys. Yesterday in the spray booth, we got a 2021 Toyota Tundra. Now, the guy wanted his taillights tinted, and I claim to do the best taillights on the market. So if you guys want your taillights tinted, hit me up. I charge about $300 to do this. Now, that includes 2 taillights and a third brake light. Most cars, almost all cars, have a third brake light. Now, if you got one of those cars that have really big tail lights, or something's a little more difficult, or if you have extra lights in the bumper or something, it could cost a little more, but on average it's about $300 on the dot to do this, which seems like a lot if you think about tail light tinting. You think I just grab a rattle can and just tint them. It's a lot more in-depth than that. I actually prep the lights, then I mask it all up, and then I tape off the clear part of the light, which is usually the reverse light, so that way when you're backing up you can still see. Then I coat it with plastic adhesion promoter, which actually allows the paint and the tint to bond to the plastic. And then I actually tint the light. That's about 3 coats of tint right there, so I'm happy with that level of tint. And then on top of that, I add 3 coats of UV protecting high quality clear coat. So now I sprayed these yesterday, I let them cure overnight. So now I'm gonna actually take these lights and I'm gonna wet sand them down with a block, and I'm gonna cut the clear coat nice and flat, and then I'm gonna machine buff and polish them and they're gonna look like glass when I'm done. So when I'm done, they'll look factory as far as the finish, and they'll also still have the reverse light showing like that. So unless you do this type of stuff every day, it's a pretty difficult task to achieve, and if you actually see what goes into it, then you'll think that $300 is actually really cheap to be doing this. So I've been filming the whole process, so shortly there will be a DIY video. The last video I did actually did over 100,000 views. I think it's one of the best videos on YouTube right now as far as tinting taillights. Now it's just on the wrong channel, so I just redid the video with some updates, and I'm trying to do it faster so you guys can watch it faster, and I'm a little more thorough. So I'm hoping that video does good. I'm sure it will. That video will probably make the channel pop off. You can see I did the third brake light as well. And you can see I did the same thing as I did on the back with the reverse light, but for the cargo lights. So a lot of people say, well, why don't you take the tail lights out? All that masking. Well, then you gotta mount the tail lights to like a stand or put them on a table, and then you got to install them, and there's just so much room for error, especially on these new vehicles that have these really expensive LED tail lights and stuff. There's little clips, and it is so easy to break a tail light. So unless it absolutely has to come out to do a good thorough job, I like to leave them intact on the vehicle. Masking plastic and tape really isn't all that expensive when you start considering the fact that you could break an interior component or a clip or a tail light. So if you can get away with doing them on the vehicle, absolutely do it. I don't care who you are. And then when you go to buff them, you want them mounted to something solid anyway because you're using a machine polisher. So of course you want to have them mounted on the vehicle. I think I showed you guys this in the last video. Mikey's Integra GSR Synergy Green Metallic. It's gonna pop in the sun, guys. I can't wait to see that in the sun. We're gonna spray some more parts on Friday, and then we're gonna put them in storage because we probably won't be doing the body for 2 to 3 more weeks after that, because we still got some prepping to do, and I'm trying to catch up Aaron's right-hand drive Integra with the ITR nose. Now, with that being said, I am absolutely pumped. If you guys could please like this video, please leave in the comments if you prefer the shorter vlogs. We're about 6 minutes right now, according to my camera. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the shorter vlogs. We just got some LED lights outside, and they're still on. Kind of hard to see, but we still got the last one on the very end to do. But right now we just got 4 to kind of test them out. So very happy with how bright they are. We got 1 over here, 3 down there, and then we still got the last one to do, and 2 on the back side of the building that we are going to be changing out. So today we got a detail to do, interior detail, but first we got to get this 2021 Tundra, the lights unmasked, sanded and polished, and get it delivered, and then we'll shift gears and get the Chevy Cruze in for detail. So like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.